one of the great features about Discord is the custom emojis. The fact that you can have custom ones that you can then send in your servers or even other servers if you have Nitro. But what if you like a specific custom emoji enough that you want to download it and use it as an image file elsewhere? Well, we'll be going over exactly how you do that in this very video, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is find a use of that emoji or send it yourself so it is in a message. Then hover over it and right click on the emoji, and then click on the open link option in this little context menu that pops up. This will open up the emoji in your browser, so right click on it there and save it like you would any other image. From that point, it's going to be saved to your PC and ready to use, at least kind of. The problem is that all of these emojis will be saved as a WebP file, which are infamous for not really being that useful. Not only can't you open them in any other normal program, you have to use your browser to actually open it up, but also if you wanted to, say, import into any other program, you are going to have issues. So the best thing to do at this point is to convert it from a WebP to a PNG, and that can be done easily by just searching for one of the many WebP to PNG converters online. Any of them will do the job just fine. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you want to convert it to a PNG specifically, not something like a JPEG, because PNGs support transparency. So the transparency of an emoji is going to go away if you save it as something like a JPEG instead. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do this on mobile. If you just long hold on the emoji, it'll just tell you about how it came from a specific server with no way of downloading it whatsoever. So all of this has to be done on either the browser or the desktop app version of Discord. So that's exactly how you can download and use custom emojis on Discord. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority from like this in the future.